Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog.
There you go. Oh, this is JP. You're so tired. You've been working too hard, man.
No, we were shooting BMW. Dude.
I know. You've been
Texas.
working too hard. You're fucking killing it out there, man.
That's good.
Too cool. Hell yeah. All right, I'm gonna do a little walk around. So,
You want the German walk around? Should I do the subtitles here?
no.
Harley Davidson.
Bad enough I'm Russian and you're German. Bad combo. Bad combo.
What? I think that's a good mix.
We're not so different, you and I. Not anymore. Terrible. All right. Okay. Anyway, here we go. Let's start the little. After the craziest intro ever, let's start the little walk about the bikes.
Ducati NYC. I'm gonna fuck up your.
Yo, you want an autograph? All right, so we got a little Honda right here, 300R. That's actually pretty nice. Indian.
Ducati NYC.
You are such a nerd. Yo, I still got like 4 Taco Bell cards.
You still have
Yeah.
that?
I get like I thought I was gonna go through them, but like I didn't realize that, you know, Taco Bell.
Look at that.
So we got Indians.
Ducati NYC.
Oh, brother. Then we got a couple of Yamahas. I don't know if you caught any of that. That's okay. So we got some Yamahas, another Yamaha, a Triumph. This is Dirty Billy's Piper. It's kind of cute. Lucas is riding it right now. Another got a Honda. And that over there, you probably can't even see it because it's so fucking tiny. That's Dirty Billy's skate truck. But I'm not gonna walk over there, not right now. So we're gonna walk over here.
So I'm already in that
Got a
direction.
Triumph.
You know what I mean? So I grab it and I just lay it.
Another Triumph, Moto Noirs, Yamaha, Indian. Ooh. Then we got a little Husky. Adorbs. And we got Zeus bikes.
Do you know why the 25-year-old?
Emissions and safety. Like if you were to sit what's up? Unexpected is the wrong word. Unexpected is the wrong word.
It's always strange to me when people sit on top of their bikes with the kickstand down, but whatever. Really like these. It's a very nice bike. 979. It's really unfortunate that this one is based on a Scrambler, because the way it feels when you sit on it, it's freaking perfect. It actually feels exactly like my 620.
Chilling? Yeah. All right.
What's going on, brother?
What's up, baby? Chilling,
That's
bro?
good. Triumph. Ooh, cute little Aprilia over here. Not so bad. GM.
Like 10 miles an hour and dropped it, and I didn't have the sliders before that. Like they were still being shit. Like,
Then we got this. All right, we'll go over here. Uh-oh, the Popo is coming by. The law is watching. Got a cute little G-Class. Wait, what's this bike doing here? This is Crew's bike. Crew from Dirty Billy. I don't know what. I guess maybe he's here. Who knows? All right. Before we go over here, we'll go on this side and do all these bikes. Got the big bag of Kawi. Oof. Oh. That's kind of crazy. Kind of a crazy exhaust on that Rebel, but then we got the Diavel. Harley, and the new Monster. That's the bike. That's the bike for me. Now, do I just buy one? Yo, Yoni, that's the bike right there. That's the new Monster. That's what I'm lusting over.
Lust away, my friend. Get it.
It's not a bad looking bike.
Don't stop lusting and just fuck it, you know?
It's true.
Just get it. That shit looks sick.
Dude, this shit moves too.
Look at that thing.
Yeah, dude. It's gorgeous.
You can do some slight modifications.
Cool little dash. Oh, for sure.
These mirrors are nice though.
Yeah, they're not bad. I'd still have like the fold out.
Yeah, I would have them stick out.
Yeah. Not a bad bike. Definitely get rid of these reflectors.
You gonna do it in this color too?
Yeah, black on black for sure.
This is fucking sick.
Yeah, and they're like sequential because Audi owns this shit, so like they're sequential. And I'll get rid of these stickers. And just the tank is flat with like.
Are you gonna replace the headlight?
Eventually, when Motodemic makes it, you know, when they make like a sexy one.
Yeah.
But the stock one is not bad because it has that halo around it. Whoever like owns this bike right now is like watching us almost touch it, and
I ain't touching this bike.
I ain't touching it, but coming close. Nice. Beautiful machine, but we gotta keep going. We'll come back to it. I mean, you can't go wrong with that.
That's a good one, man.
Yeah, and it looks cute. But I was gonna say, like, see that monster right there, the 797? It actually fits and feels exactly like my bike, but it's based on a scrambler.
This thing looks more.
Yeah, this
more
thing.
with it. You know, that's like
dude, with
that's
it.
like a 20. That's a future bike right there.
Yeah.
Look at that fucking thing.
It hauls ass, dude, too.
I'm also like, they also got rid of the tube.
The trellis. Yeah. That's the biggest thing. People either love it or hate it. That's like the separating.
Is the engine sitting a little bit differently in this one?
Yeah, no, it's still what is it called? Like I forgot the degree. It's an L, still an L twin.
I see it. It's like boom.
Yeah.
Boom.
See, it's like this. Yeah.
This shit's sick, man.
Yeah, dude, it's not a bad bike. All right, no more fanboy. Now this right here is what I really wanted. That's the Street Fighter, but this thing is just out of control. It's too fast. It's too crazy to ride like touring and shit.
I'm more interested in the contemporary motorcycles these days.
Yeah, it's a little crazy.
That's your collector bike right there. Okay.
Then we got another sexy Ducati. Then we got this.
Little KTM.
Yeah, I'm on. And then Diavel.
That's a Ducati.
That's the Diavel, bro. Tiger. Triumph. That's what we were telling you to get. The
Yeah, this
Husky.
one right here.
No, look, the Husky 701.
Oh, that's the one I put in. But look
Yeah.
at that radiator, though, man.
I mean, that's the same as the Monster.
Yeah, but like it's so like why didn't it make
Yeah,
it
it's
just
sticking
fucking
out more.
vertical? You know.
The headlight is cute though,
See this? See how
and the gas tank. You know, super neat.
Honestly, this bike looks a little bit small for me. I don't know.
Well, it is a single cylinder too.
Oh, I know.
Alright, then we got
How many cylinders is this single cylinder?
4.
Oh, I thought it was 6.
I think it's between 6 and 9. You get it? 69. Sex joke. All right. So then we got, what do we got here? We got a Royal Enfield. Totally adorable. Another Street Fighter. That's the new one. That's the new V4 Street Fighter. That's nice. The new Street Fighter. Not bad.
The front headlight. The front headlight always throws me.
Yeah, exactly. Like, you know, I'm not selling. That's why I wasn't even sure for a second what it was, but I would definitely do something a little less modern.
It's just something about
It almost looks like those stock weird. You know how some people put those fucking, what do you call them up?
Yeah.
The Predator eye headlights?
Yeah. It's just something about it. I just
But I bet when you're riding it, like, you don't give a fuck.
I think that's the thing about the bike.
Yeah.
It's, you know what, if you have to worry about if it's pretty or not. It's,
Yeah. I mean, those wings do. At least you're stuck to the ground.
You know what? And then actually, I like the V2 because it came out without the wings.
Yeah. But I'm a MotoGP nerd, so I'm like,
yeah,
all the wings. Why not? I mean, the whole thing is circus anyway, so it's a glorious bike.
Yeah. I mean, God,
Looks nice and black.
it's 200 horsepower.
Yeah.
It's a monster.
Well, not a monster.
Yeah,
it's a Street
but, you know,
Fighter.
yeah.
Ducati jokes.
Yeah.
All right, brother. Talk to you later. Moto Guzzi. Royal. Oh, 3. Actually, looks like a full-size bike. That is glorious. Freaking carboned out Triumph. That's kind of sick. That's kind of
I wanted
nasty.
to save the 3 pounds of fiberglass.
Yeah, dude.
So we spent millions of dollars.
But then you keep the reflectors on. You have fucking carbon everything to save weight. And then you have reflectors on. This thing, yeah, it does look alien. MT10. Yeah. The Yamahas. Crazy. Alright, now we gotta catch those bikes over there. No bike left behind.
Yeah, they gotta introduce the.
I do. Oh, look at these guys.
Like an escort in a way. You just dress him up and you're like, baby,
hell yeah.
come on, and then he just goes, no.
I like a passenger.
Oh, thank you. That's it.
Oh shit, look at this thing. With the fairings and all. That is kind of neat.
Like this.
Headlight. No, I did the Suzuki vlog just now. We did a whole walk around.
Florida, and that's it.
I don't want people to be like, ew, that's a motorcycle video. But there's the Suzuki right there. Oh shit, another Street Fighter. I think his bike is broken. I think the bike is broken. Something's wrong with it. All right. Then we got this. I don't even know what it is.
That's like
Kawasaki. That's a Ninja.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, it says it up there. It's the Bad Boys Club. Carbon lid. Hell yeah. Then we got this fucking container full of
Rocks. Rock container.
All the happy people enjoying drink and tacos. And then we got FZ10. Yeah, I like the color combo, but like the face is so busy, right?
It's a transformer.
Super. And like, look, all the little fins and everything. Yeah, it's a little intense. And I don't understand why people keep the reflectors on. Especially
because that's what safe motorcyclists
but they're
do.
round, dude. Your whole bike is pointy. At least get pointy reflectors. But cute. Africa Twin. There was a point where these bikes were the shit when they came out.
They look like the shit.
It's still the shit. Hell yeah. Then we got this box truck with a graffiti on it. Look at that. New York City, yo. Graffiti. Then we got Harley.
Look at the color.
Triumph. Yeah, that is a nice color. And I like the helmet, actually. I mean, I don't like the helmet, but I like the color of the helmet.
This is
The yellow is dope.
the colors are nice.
Yeah. It's very cozy looking.
Yeah.
I guess it was shipped recently because, oh no, that's for parking garage maybe. Nice. That's your bike?
Hey, how's it going? Yeah.
Love it. I love the color of the helmet and the bike too.
Thanks.
It's dope. Good shit. What is this sticker for? Is that for like parking garage or something, or you got it shipped or something?
Yeah, you know what? The fucking parking garage guys put it on when I didn't look at it.
Yeah.
And I don't want to take it off because it's gonna be a fucking pain in the ass.
Right. But that's definitely like front and center.
Yeah, they like put it right on there, so whatever.
I can definitely tell they're not motorcycle guys.
I know. I got the parking garage, I got the state of New York on the other side.
Sticker life.
Yeah.
Oh snap! That's cute.
Thanks, man.
Little Pook. That's the one I was gonna get. Remember the Magnum?
Didn't fucking Mike keep one of these in your apartment?
No, it was like a little different.
Yeah.
But yeah,
It was
similar.
the same
It was like
kind.
more like that.
To keep it
Yeah.
in restoration and stuff.
But he didn't get that thing.
Easy to work on.
Yeah, it was Roberto's actually.
You work on it yourself,
Dude,
right?
somebody
Yeah.
told me to get one of these
That's
because
the whole-
motorcycles are too dangerous.
You don't want any-
So I was like, yeah, you're right.
Oh, yeah.
I'll get one of these. You can take
No.
them on the highway, right?
Yes, sure. Do it. Make sure you record
Take
a
them on the
video though.
91.
Oh look, that's the 401. That's the baby version of the other
Yeah.
one.
So even a little less looking, less aggressive looking.
But it's perfect. It's like a tiny little thumper. And those tires are great for like off-road. You just fuck around on
So it's inexpensive, right?
it. No, it's like $5 grand.
No, I said it's.
Yeah. Oh yeah, exactly. As opposed to this, which is like 20 some grand.
Which one is this?
Street Fighter V4, the new.
Oh, look at the arrow.
The
on
wings and all.
Yeah.
Carbon Schwarben.
Schwarbens.
And then you got this MV Agusta. Look at the headlight. The thing is nasty. Nasty. One of my favorite bikes here. But no, I have to honestly say my favorite bike here is definitely the Monster. The new Monster.
It looks good.
It's not bad.
What about this bike?
Oh shit. It's glorious. Uh-oh. We got a cross track coming. Look at the fitment back here. Oh shit, I was just listening to this song. Good track.